Okay guys, today I'm making a dessert that tastes like magic with just 3 ingredients. If you love cookies, this is about to be your new obsession. Grab your Biscoff or any sweet cookies you've got, toss them into a food processor and blend it. Let it blend until they're smooth and fine. You should almost feel that texture, which is silky, rich and perfect for baking. Once you've gotten that desired texture, now pour the blended cookies into a bowl. You see how smooth and silky the texture is? Add half a teaspoon of baking powder into it. That's the secret to a nice little rise. Then pour in some liquid milk into it. There's no exact measurement here, just enough to make a smooth batter. Then stir it until creamy and lump-free. See how it is? Line your pan already with parchment paper, which makes life so much easier later. Pour in the batter, smoothing it out, and bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And trust me, your kitchen will smell like cookie heaven. Once it's out of the oven, toss it in a plate and let it cool down a little. For the toppings, I'm going with melted white chocolate and a sprinkle of coconut flakes. You can go with any toppings of your choice. Spread the melted white chocolate on it. Make sure to spread it all over and smoothen it. Once it's smoothened to your satisfaction, then you can go ahead and sprinkle the coconut flakes on it. Sprinkle it all over to give it that tropical vibes. And there it is, your quick, easy and dangerously addictive cookie dessert. Look at how soft and fluffy it is. Try it out and tell me what topping you used. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun recipes. Now excuse me while I eat the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.